Come on, Mom. And I got
Yeah, tired of fun. What is up, gang? What is up, squad? It's Extreme K, and I'm back here with another vlog, yo. So, I'm going to take back this keyboard again, because I had to find the thing it came in with, and I found it. So, we're just going to take it back. If you guys want to see, look, that's how much I spent on it. Now, I'm just waiting for my mom to hurry up, because I got to take this back in. We're going to go and get them handcuffs so we can do the challenge. So, be ready, yo. It's about to get lit. She doesn't. Unlock the door. Hold on. I gotta get some tape from the store, but first we're gonna get them handcuffs. Alright, hold on.
Another one. Yeah.
Oh, we walking into Five Below. We getting the cuffs. They're literally right here. Should we get this the front one? Get the back one. We're gonna get that one. Yeah, because it's for the challenge, y'all.
I want candy bars.
Guys, we got this stuff. And some candy. Hold up.
Whatever. Y'all got me for
Huh? Alright, let me show y'all.
that little.
We got the handcuffs and we got some candy. These are mine, all Laffy Taffy.
Yo, the handcuffs was $4.25.
It was supposed to be $4. Before when we went last time it was $4.
Well, yeah, it's okay. I don't care.
Sweet. Alright, so this is the challenge. It's going viral now, right now. That's why I wanted to do it.
What?
Oh, this is so... I never did this before.
What?
I never did that before.
You just put it on
Where the key?
right here. Oh,
Mommy?
that hurt. Hold up.
Yeah, because you ain't have it the right way.
And then she could put hers on, her side on. We're gonna do it in the dollar store if we go there.
Y'all gonna be inside of the dollar store like that?
Yeah, it's a challenge. But you really don't need the key because look, got that right here.
Oh, whatever. Come on, we're going to the dollar store anyway so I can get the tape. See what kind of tape they got. And,
No, we still need that key. You don't know that.
They don't.
Yeah, so key.
Y'all ready? That's the stuff.
I'm just waiting for it.
Alright, y'all. We about to put the handcuffs on right now. Come on. I'm about to put my side on. Hold up. Come on. Hold up. Come on. Give me your arm.
Alright.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Put it on. Alright, let's get it. Come on.
Oh,
Come on, yo. Come on. We could have had it hot.
Come on,
Look,
killer.
Just walk together.
we are walking together. Alright. This is the handcuff challenge. We about to go to the dollar store right now. And we about to walk in there and see what we can do.
Oh!
Shut
No.
up, you too loud.
It's
Look.
perfect.
Look. Yo, people probably looking at us like we slow. I know, people probably gonna think we slow. Cause they probably gonna think we slow.
I don't care.
Okay, let's get it. Come on.
Oh, there's some hot people in here too.
I know. Hurry up.
Oh my gosh.
Keep up with the pace. Come on. Let's go around, walk around the store. So yeah. Ouch.
Ouch.
Huh?
I
I don't know.
don't know.
Come on.
Oh my God. Kayla, stop. Wait.
Stop complaining. Yo, you pulling my arm. So hurry up.
Yeah, there. Come on. Dang, there's a lot of people in here too.
I know it is. We busy looking for it. Take
I can't open nothing in my pocket.
you don't even know. You can't what?
I can't get nothing in my pocket.
Dang.
Hey everybody.
Yeah, yo, we in the store.
Stop.
This
Now
is
you're doing it
kinda
on
like-
purpose.
Look.
It hurts.
You know what? We about to attempt to eat while cuffed. Handcuffed. So
That is tight though.
that was just kind of hard a little bit. Alright, let's talk about some stuff. Or no, I'm gonna speed this up while we eat. Alright, guys. Come on. Our mom could get that. Alright. The next task, guys, is to try to go and get the mail. I know you busy pulling my arm trying to get that door.
Yeah, but you're
We
doing
literally
too
just
much.
got done eating and there's stuff in my purses. The mailman. Alright, we just gonna go to the car. I mean the park.
How? Why would you do that? That hurts.
What is that? It was a bug. But right now we just gonna go to the park. Cause the mailman put in the mail in. So we're just gonna go to the park to get some footage for you guys. Ow, yo, this is literally like messing up my arm.
Yeah, I've been watching all videos with handcuffs, and they still be hurting.
We should try to go down the slide.
Oh, no, that's hurt. That's painful.
Are we gonna do the swing first then?
Yeah,
The swing might be even more painful, guys.
because not really, because we work here. We just have to be next to each other.
That it's a small little park. It's not too much of anything.
Alright, let's go outside.
Alright, we're just going on the swing, guys.
But how are we gonna sit?
Alright. You go on that one. And I'll go on this one. Hold up.
I can't sit.
Ow, ow.
I can't.
Ow.
Alright.
Alright. Ow. Hold up. Alright, look,
Okay,
y'all.
let's just sit.
Alright. We just wait.
Stop.
Alright,
Now
we
you
just waiting to go and get the mail from the mail guy. Alright, what if we do... Alright, get up. What if we go from behind? Like, come on. Walk over here. All right. Keep this arm like this, right?
Mhm.
And then we're gonna try to attempt to go down this slide. Okay.
I'm scared.
How are we
go
gonna do
first.
this? Okay, you go first. Go.
Yeah, come. Yeah, come.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Hold up. Go. Go.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Y'all, it's been a while since oh, this is too small. Go. We is literally too big for this thing.
I'm
All right.
scared.
Sit there. Wait. Do not go down. Do not go down. Whatever you do, do not go down. Cause if you go down, my fucking arm gonna come off. All right. Do not slide down yet. Do not slide down. Cause y'all, if she slide down, my arm is done. Do not slide down.
It's not.
All right.
I'm scared.
Wait. I'm scared. Wait. Go. Wait. Don't slide down yet.
Alright, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
Go down some, a little bit. Go down a little bit. Wait.
Alright, let's take this off.
All right, I'm gonna take mine off until we get to the right. Go a little bit. Don't go down. Fuck no. This is for one person.
Oh my god.
That slide is literally for one person. I'm not risking my arm just to try to go down there.
Here.
All right, put it back on.
I'm scared.
All right. I'm definitely not risking
Alright,
it.
let's go in there.
You
That's
going that side and not going this side. Right.
How are we gonna do this?
Come on. Oh no, it's too loud. Come on. I know y'all heard that. Probably was too loud for y'all. We're just gonna walk back to see if the male person done. He probably not even done.
That's one.
And my phone is like literally my storage because I gotta buy some more storage for the iCloud. I literally used all of it.
Stop, Kayla.
You see that person looking like a creep, busy looking at us. Stop looking.
And we're gonna see if he's done. And then after that, what we're gonna do?
Huh?
After that, what we gonna do?
I don't know.
Then you said your arm is gonna come.
My arm would have went off, yo. If you would have went down, yo, both our arms would have been. My arm probably would have chopped off. This one already hurt. If he not done, then we just gonna go back in the house. I'm gonna delete some stuff off of my phone.
No, and then we just gonna walk away with.
Nah.
Ouch.
Y'all seen that? She literally. Oh. Let me see. No, he's not done. He's still there.
Ouch.
So what
keep
we gonna
on
do?
doing
We're
that.
gonna go home.
No.
And we're gonna go get the mail once we know that he left. So y'all be ready. Hold up. If y'all want a part 2 of this video, just comment down below. Get this video to 15 likes and we'll do it again. But this video is super funny. It was. Cause that slide, that part, she would have messed my arm up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that like button for more. I got so many videos that planned.